welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here at Charlestown. My name is Chloe and today we have a beautiful BMW 3 Series Sport Saloon finished in metallic blue. This is a 2024 2-liter petrol plug-in hybrid with a fully automatic transmission. I'll be going through some exterior and interior features, so if you come along here to the side. Oops. This is our upgraded diamond cut 17-inch wheels. Coming out to the front, we of course have our iconic BMW kidney grills, adaptive LED headlights. Coming out to the side, we have our gloss black trims on the windows. Coming out to the back, we can unlock from the key. We have plenty of compartment space here and underneath for charging cables and whatnot. Now taking a look in the rear passenger seats, we have leather interior in a matte beige finish. We have our ISOFIX child seating support systems as standard. Taking a seat here, we have plenty of legroom space. And this is a 4-zone climate control. We have USB-C ports for charging and extra compartment space in the back of the seats and in the sides of the doors. Now sat in the driver's seat, push start. Here we have our instrument cluster here and our infotainment menu here. We have our home settings. We have our media settings with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Telephone settings and navigation. Below we have our gloss black and aluminium trims. We have some extra AC controls here, some media functions and extra max and rear demisting. We have a slot for a phone, cup holder, USB for charging. We have our gear and transmission. Here you can easily navigate the media using our spin dial. You can explore the different modes. We have sport, hybrid and electric. We have extra compartment space here in the center. Now moving on to our steering wheel, we have our cruise controls on the left and we have media functions on the right. This is a sport model, so we do of course have our automatic paddle shifters. Now on the sides of the doors we have automatic opening and closing windows and electronic folding mirrors. Above we have our BMW SOS emergency call, of course. Now if we put this into reverse, we have a rear view camera, we have our ultrasonic sound sensors and parking assist. This beautiful BMW 3 Series is available for purchase on Joe Duffy BMW and across various car selling websites. All BMW approved used cars come with a 2-year warranty. If you would like to book a test drive, an appointment, have any questions or queries, this is Joe Duffy BMW and my name is Chloe and thank you for your time. Bye.